Welcome to 3D Donuts. In just 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your nozzle as well as clean the inside out. First, you're going to take your crescent wrench that comes with the set and you're going to go ahead and remove that Bowden tube from the extruder. Next, you're going to take your Allen key right here and you're going to go ahead and remove the 2 screws by the fan cover. Those are a little small, so make sure once you have them removed, you put them somewhere safe. I have lost them before, so that's no fun. Once you have these removed, you need to get the fan cover out of the way. So I like to put mine just right up on the side of the Z-axis, just out of the way, enough for me to go ahead and finish what I'm doing. Remove the Bowden tube from the nozzle, and now you're going to remove the nozzle. Just be careful because it's hot, so you using that crescent right away is going to heat up. That's why I switched to pliers. And you see the Z-axis going up to get under there with those big old pliers, and it's off. So now we're going to unscrew the Bowden tube on the other side. You're going to completely take this tube out. So if it's taped to that black wire there, then you need to just remove it. Take these 2 pieces off the whole Bowden tube because you're going to use it and reset it. Pull, don't push. It only goes one way. And then that same other one is going to pop off too. So you'll see pop, and then the other one pops off, and there you go. So now we're going to go ahead and take the tube and we're going to clean the throat of the nozzle. Make sure you scrape the edges and get everything out. That thing should be heated up to 220°C, maybe a little bit more. Now you're going to put your new nozzle on. I like to start it with that since it's hot still. And then you can finish with the crescent wrench it's given. Now you're going to put your fan cover on. Also note the Bowden screw on the top is already in, so you can put that in after or before, it doesn't matter. Screw on both sides there, and now you're going to put your Bowden tube in. This is important that you press all the way down with a heated nozzle. So push until you can't push anymore, and then you're going to go ahead and take the Bowden tube clip and you're going to screw it into the extruder gear side. After that's in all the way, that's your last step. All you got to do is put that little tube in there, press firmly, and it'll pop in, and you're done. So hopefully that helped you. This is 3D Donuts. Like and subscribe for more videos.